Once again, we are coming back with Sunbeam Care Plus English for Beginner. Last week, we were cover alphabet and phonetic alphabet that we call Zulu. And let me tell you something. When you're learning something, make it fun somehow and you can apprehend it, what you are learning probably better. My name is Heureuse. Nice to meeting you. And I am glad days after day you come back and support me. Thank you for your like, your comment, and your subscribe. Appreciate it. And because also you share your concern, that's give me more opportunity to look, to search what you want. How can I go? How can I get the information you need? Today, the information we have, what we are going to cover, like I said before, we are going to cover numbers. All right? Numbers. Economic activity relies on numbers. Clearly, numbers are excellent tools for communication and exchange. If I want to do some business, to make business with somebody, like last week, someone asking me my birthday, she asking me for the date I want to travel for my reservation. I couldn't give it to that person or to the customer service because I don't know the numbers yet. So let's get started. Cardinal numbers are used for counting and quantifying. They use for counting and quantifying. Zero, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 80, 90, 100. We are going to say them again. The reason why sometimes I say 30 or I said 40. It's not saying 40 there, it's a 40. So do you understand how long I have been wrong by saying what I think? Let's go back. Cardinal numbers. Zero, zero. You can say zero, one, one, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, six, six, seven, seven, eight, eight, nine, nine, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Example of quantity. I had 5 pence. She paid $50 rent. Those one are example of quantity. Now, let's see the ordinal numbers. They are used to indicate position or order. They are used to indicate position or order. First, first, fifth, fifth. Or let's go to first, second, third, fourth. Okay? Well, again like that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. What is your birth order among your siblings? What is your birth order among your siblings? Your sibling means sister and brother, okay? It can be your sisters or your brothers. That's why they say sibling instead to say among your sister and brother. They said your sibling. Firstborn. That's mean older. I am the first one. Okay. Second born. That's mean I am the middle. Middle child. That can be the third one. That can be the second. Okay, middle child. Child. Last born. That means you are younger. The last one, like my little pinky sister, Charlene. I love her so much. Only child, no siblings. When you say I am the only child, that means, no sibling. So, I don't know. Now I'm going to ask you that question. What is your birth order among your siblings? What floor are you on? Sometimes you may answer, I am living on the 7th floor. If you're living in 7th floor, right? Or maybe you may living on 3rd floor. Maybe in 11th floor. Or why not in 23rd floor? You may live there. Where is the meeting located? Where is the meeting located? The meeting is on the 3rd floor. Now let's go to some exercise. Remember, we learn best when we practice. If you don't practice, you can't learn. C'est dans la pratique que nous apprenons. Si vous pas pratiquer, ou pas capable d'apprendre. Ou juste tendez et puis après c'est fini. C'est dans la pratique qu'on apprend. Il faut apprendre, il faut pratiquer pour continuer. Don't stop here. Continue moving forward. Are you able to count to 20 in English, in French, or in Creole? Can you spell the numbers from 0 to 10? Do you know and understand ordinal numbers? Can you count to 1,000? How old are you? What is your phone number? Or you can say, what's your phone number? Or you may say, what's your number? How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? How much money do you have in your bank account? Or how much money do you have in your wallet? It is time to practice. You can do it. I'm waiting for you. Well, we are going to finish with this lesson, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Let me let you are going to listen a AI and please be with us.
Cardinal and ordinal numbers in English. Cardinal numbers are used to count and represent the quantity of something. Ordinal numbers refer to the order or position of something in a list. 0, 1, first, 2, second, 3, third, 4, fourth, 5, fifth, 6, sixth, 7, seventh, 8, eighth.
Thanks again for your like, share, comment, and subscribe to learn more. Next week, we are going to break you the 7 days of the week, and probably if we can cover in one lesson, we will see the days, the month, and the year together. Love you. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and appreciate. Give comments, and I will look at what I can do to bring something better and better. Help me to do better. Thank you. Remember to practice, right? Really important to if you want to improve your English, your French, your Haitian Creole, you need to practice daily. And from there, you will move forward and you can go as a pro. Goodbye. Thank you.